Episode 9 of Dynamite Kiss takes us back to a few minutes before the engagement party, with Ine getting her makeup done. She thinks about how to save Jihyuk. Meanwhile, Jihae and Chungbu plan to sabotage the engagement party by showing compromising pictures of Jihyuk and Darim. Outside, Jihyuk overhears June calling Darim aunt and someone teasing the two about getting married. He starts putting the pieces together and realizes that Darim lied to him. Once the event starts, Hyang refuses to play along. Just as she prepares to reveal the truth, Ine faints, resulting in the cancellation of the engagement party. On the way to the hospital, Ine wakes up and reveals she faked the illness to buy Jihyuk more time. Afterwards, Darim walks by the hall and sees the welcome poster. It dawns on her that Jihyuk is getting engaged that day. At the hospital, Ine meets with her lawyers to discuss her upcoming divorce from Chungho. The lawyers are hopeful that they can get Ine's property back. However, they need to plan this well to avoid Chungho getting wind of their plans. Meanwhile, Chungho asks Jihae to find a way to rush the wedding. Back at the hospital, Ine advises Jihyuk to follow his heart and forget about sacrificing himself to save her. That night, Jihyuk reflects on his mom's words and realizes he still wants Darim. The next day at the office, he makes life difficult for her out of anger. He makes her redo the invitation letter for the photography exhibition over and over again. Frustrated, Darim tries her best to appease him. Hyang drops by, and Jihyuk confronts her for hiding the truth. Darim misunderstands the situation and thinks the two are kissing in his office. As it turns out, Jihyuk was only trying to shut Hyang up before Darim overhears that he knows the truth. He asks Hyang to stay engaged as he figures out his next move. He explains his mom's situation and apologizes for misunderstanding her. Of course, Hyang is relieved to finally be free of the mistress title. She tells Jihyuk that she will continue to pursue Seonyu even though he likes Darim. For her, love deserves to be cherished even when it is one-sided. On her way out, Hyang confronts Darim, revealing she knows that the latter is single. Jihae overhears part of the conversation, but Jihyuk and Hyang quickly cover it up with a weird explanation. Later, at a meeting with his dad, Jihyuk reveals that he is thinking of staying at the company. Chungho is pleased, but Jihae is pissed. With her path cleared, Hyang visits Seonyu and flirts with him. Unfortunately, Seonyu is more worried about Jihyuk knowing the truth. Back at the office, Darim has had enough of Jihyuk's attitude and asks why he is angry at her. He gives her a chance to come clean, but she misses it. Finally, he asks her point blank, and she confesses to her lie. He doesn't give her another chance to explain and fires her on the spot. For the rest of the day, Darim worries about her colleagues finding out the truth. In the evening, she drops by the hospital to see her mom. Myung-sun doesn't notice the sadness in her daughter's eyes because she is excited about her discharge from the hospital. Seeing how proud her mom is about how she held things together, Darim makes up her mind to visit Jihyuk and convince him to let her stay. She calls him multiple times, but he doesn't pick up. She then makes her way to his place even though it is raining heavily. Whilst there, she texts him and is about to give up when he shows up with an umbrella. He takes her back to his place and listens to her explanation. In the end, Darim asks for a chance to keep working until she gets another job. Although angry, Jihyuk promises to think it over. He spends the night contemplating what to do. Darim heads back home, where Seonyu comforts her. He suddenly confesses his feelings for her, catching her by surprise. However, he asks her to take her time before answering his proposal. The following morning, Darim avoids Seonyu. As expected, she is feeling awkward about the confession. At the office, Darim feels anxious about what Jihyuk might do to her. However, when Ji-hyuk sees her helping a cleaner, he remembers the reason he fell for her in the first place. For the rest of the day, he chooses to work with Darim to put up promotion posters for the photography exhibition in Gangnam. Back at Jintai's house, Taeyang intercepts the damaging photos Ji-hae sent to his dad. He drops by her office and warns her that sending the pictures was a mistake. His dad will only push the wedding forward if he learns of Ji-hyuk's relationship with Darim. He offers to help her ruin Ji-hyuk's engagement to his sister. On his way out, he spots Darim and Ji-hyuk leaving together. At the hospital, Myung-soon congratulates In-ae on deciding to take the brave step of divorcing her husband. She welcomes In-ae to stay at her house as she secretly works on collecting the necessary evidence needed for her divorce case. Meanwhile, Ji-hyuk orders Darim to drive, but soon regrets it after seeing the extent of her driving skills. She admits that she is anxious, and he promises he won't fire her just yet. He spends the rest of the day subtly flirting with her. In the afternoon, he and Seonyu are interviewed together to promote the exhibition. Ji-hyuk compliments Seonyu's acting skills, while the other promises to take care of Darim moving forward. This strikes a chord in Ji-hyuk. Out of jealousy, the two men get on each other's nerves and try to outdo each other. Darim is awkwardly caught in between, as she silently watches in disbelief. At the end of the day, Seonyu invites Darim to dinner. He notices she is avoiding him and asks her to act normally. He promises to wait for her as she wraps up her work. Ji-hyuk overhears the conversation. He tries to distract Darim with questions about the upcoming event. Suddenly, Seonyu calls, and Darim gets ready to leave. She is about to walk out the door when Ji-hyuk pulls her back and begs her not to leave. He invites her to dine with him. Darim is shocked as he pins her against the door. The episode ends with Ji-hyuk passionately kissing her to convey his feelings.